day dreams go beyond.
Chartered Quantity Surveyor. A Chartered Quantity Surveyor, QS, is a highly qualified cost management professional responsible for overseeing all financial and contractual aspects of construction projects. This role ensures that projects are delivered within budget while maintaining quality and compliance with industry standards. Minimum qualifications and experience: bachelor's degree in quantity surveying, civil engineering or a related field. Chartered member of a recognised professional body such as RICS, Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, UK International, AIQS, Australian Institute of Quantity Surveyors, Australia, HKS, PAQS, or equivalent organisations in other regions. Complete an accredited degree in quantity, surveying or cost management. Gain relevant work experience, typically 2 to 3 years. Successfully pass the Assessment of Professional Competence, APC, which includes written submissions and a professional interview. MRICS, member of the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, or an equivalent designation.
Good package will be offered. Salary will be based on the candidate's experience and interview performance. UAE-based candidates only apply. Interested candidates, please send your CV only to anishajayan@alrawabit.com. Please mention the position you are applying for in the subject line. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.